Hello, how are you? I hope everyone is doing well. So today we are starting with Python. New language Python from start to finish word. So, first of all, the basic thing we are covering in today's class is the basic things of Python. So, first, we will learn how to print in Python and how its running point will work. So, we will start with the print statement. Print and by putting it in double quotes. Let's say I'm printing something. So simply by pressing enter and shift plus enter together, it has printed here. Okay, like Amir Gul has been printed. Similarly, if I want to. So Amir Gul, in the same way in a variable, if I define a is equal to double ERGUL, when I run this, if I print a, then its value will be. Similarly, the length of a will be defined. So here, the length will be, here its length is 9, 3, 4, 5 seconds, 8, 9, okay. So the space will also be counted. Similarly, now here, if we concatenate what does concatenate mean? Adding one thing to another. So here we are, spouse. The first name is exactly equal to EER. And here it is. Last name is equal to where when I concatenate this, then concatenate simply means that we will do what here. First, name plus, and so when I run this, it will be concatenated here. But the problem is that there is no space between Amir and Gul. So we can add a space by using a plus sign. Here we have added a plus sign, and here we will put a comma. And here we will again add a plus sign. We have added a plus sign to both of them. So when I run this, a space has appeared. So this is its basic form. Now let's move on to how we will take the